Prod Squad, what's good, man? It's your boy JR here. We are back with another video. Today's video is one of those essential videos where if you've had your Challenger for a long time like I have, or maybe you just have a defective part and you might need to just swap it out. Anyway, this is what you want to see. So right now I got my trunk propped up right here with an old broomstick because the trunk struts have gone out on me, and basically I just need to go ahead and swap these things out. So I purchased some new trunk struts right here. Got them from eBay. I'll leave a link in the description. You can really get these from Amazon, you know, different places like that, but I'll leave a link in the description to where you can get these from with the correct part number and everything like that. But yeah, click the link in the description to take you right to it, and you'll be able to go ahead and do what you need to do. But basically all you're gonna need for this, because this is a pretty easy install, is a flathead screwdriver, because you just had a couple clips to pop off, pull it off, pop it on, and then that's pretty much it. So I'm going to position you guys in place so that you guys can see exactly how we do one side, repeat on the other side, and that's pretty much going to be it. But let me just show you before I actually get into this what's happening. So right now, it's been like this for so long I don't even remember what it was like before. But so if I just let this go, it's gonna fall. And even holding it straight up like this, it comes straight down. So you can just imagine how bad, you know, or how annoying that is, or how dangerous it could be. All right, with that being said, let me go ahead and pull y'all closer so we can get into this install. It's gonna be a real quick video. Stay tuned. All right, here we go. So this is the side that we're working on first. This is the passenger side right here. Got everything propped up so it's safe and good to go. All right, so all we're doing is taking this clip out right here. This is what's kind of holding it in. Pop that out, and then you got one on the bottom too. I'll pop this one out. Same exact motion, just pop it on out. Yeah, there you go. Pull that off, there goes the old one. All right, kind of got it pulled up here. This is definitely for the passenger side. They're already kind of positioned. So this piece here goes in up top, and this one on the bottom here. All right, so I got the bottom side in. All right, so it's a little bit longer. Let me see. So you definitely have to hold up one side to stretch it out good. Boom. Don't we feel more secure already? Look at that. It can't hold up all of it by itself. So yeah, so basically once you pop out those two clips, slap it in, and that's it. So now we're gonna repeat on the other side. All right, so now we're here on the other side. I do have the broomstick, it's just laid down right now, but I'm popping these clips out. It's holding on strong there. Okay. There we go. I go to the old one. I'm already here, so I'm just holding it anyway. All right, here goes the new one. Don't even have to pop the clips out on the new one. So put this bottom one on first. Slap that on. Turn it around. Put it up. Boom. There we go. Now my trunk is fully supported on its own merit. All right, guys, and that's it. Both trunk struts replaced, so let's look at the opening and closing. There we go. Let's open it up. Press the button. There we go. So now we don't have to worry about getting decapitated. This is great. Again, links will be in the description to where you can go and pick up these struts. They were only 30 bucks, man, for the pair. 30 bucks. And I'm back in the game. I ain't gotta worry about the trunk falling on me anymore. So this is great, man. As I said before, man, this is a real quick, easy fix. I'll tell y'all something about my channel, man, and I can tell that these videos are really helping y'all out because you guys just constantly view these videos. You constantly subscribe. I know my posting has been very sporadic, but you guys have been faithful, man, and I really appreciate all the support that y'all give, man. I'm gonna keep trying to bring y'all these videos that are very essential no matter what year challenger you have, because honestly I feel like all these videos that I'm doing are kind of timeless. As long as, you know, you own a challenger, you always need something fixed, need to replace something, want to upgrade something. All these challenges pretty much have the same install, you know, process and everything. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button, drop a comment below, let me know what you think. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so you know when I'm posting videos. It's your boy JR Prod Squad. I'll holler at you on the next one. Peace. All right, gang, so this is post-edit JR right here. So I'm gonna tell y'all, I went on Amazon and I found a better deal for y'all. So if you go and click the link in the description, you're gonna find these for 20 bucks, man. And this is for any challenger from, what is it, 2015 up to 2018, 19, I believe. And yeah, 20 bucks with the spoiler. As far as this lift support is concerned, it is with the spoiler, and you can't go wrong with it. So go and click that link in the description and get you some.